Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to create an appealing and functional splash screen for your application. Let's start by looking at the code that will allow us to customize its appearance and behavior. Let's start by creating a blank splash screen window. In the Solution Explorer, within the Splash Screen project, right-click and select Add, then New Item. In the Add New Item dialog, choose Blank Window and click Add. XAML Markup. Image displays an image from the specified source file, assets/splashscreen.png, with uniform stretching and centered alignment. Text block displays the text splash screen with specified font size, centered vertically and horizontally, and white color. C# code. Let's examine each method in detail. OnLaunched. This method is called when the application is launched. Inside it, the main window and the splash screen instance are created. Firstly, a new main window, m_window, is created. Then, an instance of the splash screen, splash_screen, is created. The splash screen is positioned in the center using the setWindowPositionToCenter method and activated. After a 3-second delay, the main window becomes active, and the splash screen is closed. Splash screen. This is the constructor of the splash screen class. Inside it, the initializeComponent method is called to initialize the interface components. The window descriptor, HWND, is obtained using the WinRT API. Using this descriptor, an app window object representing the application window is obtained. Access is gained to the presenter, which manages window display. Presentation options are set. The window always stays on top, cannot be maximized, minimized, or resized, and is removed from the taskbar. The window title is set to an empty string. The window size is set to 500 by 300 pixels. Window frame and header panel are disabled. Set window position to center. This method is used to position the application window in the center of the screen. The window descriptor, HWND, is obtained using the WinRT API. An app window object representing the application window is obtained. Information about the monitor to which the window belongs is obtained. If monitor information is available, the window is positioned in the center, calculating the position based on screen size and window size. Thank you for your attention. We hope this brief overview has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Good luck with your development.